Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a clock based on Arduino UNO, and I'm gonna show you the pieces I printed and how to build it. So here first I'm gonna show you the printed parts, all the printed parts of the Arduino. These are the legs for the clock. This is the back for the clock, or the size. The roof that we need, it doesn't have support, but I'm going to show you why later. The base for the Arduino, and of course our front, where we're going to put the electronics and the button. Well, basically the buzzer, the display, and the button here. Since I already showed you which parts I printed and we're going to use, now I'm going to show you the electronics. We're going to use a display, this 4G LED display. As you can see, it also has its own library, so it's very to use, and it has a Y2YC, so it's better to use and not to connect a lot of electronics. Obviously our Arduino UNO, as you can see, our buzzer, as also you can see, also, and our button for canceling, because we're gonna make like a type of alarm clock. So and obviously our power, because it's going to be connected. It's not, so I don't have the batteries for it, so we're just gonna use it like connected to the computer, or use something like this, so the USB can be connected and displayed on top of something, just like a regular or pretty old clock. So yeah, I'm gonna make all the, I'm gonna use all the, make the building, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. As you can see, already the electronics are implemented. As you can see, here's the case for the Arduino UNO. It uses 2M3 screws and its bolts, so it can be adjusted, as you can see in here, so it can be supported and doesn't move. And here are the electronics: the button, the buzzer, and the display, as you can see in here, all these cables and all these things. And now we're just gonna build the first part. Here it is, the first part, so you can see how the structure of the back also and of the front is built, and then assemble it and show you how does it look. Well, as you can see, here's built with the little, I didn't screw this one correctly, this little leg, but you get the idea how it works. This, at the end, this is for you to make, or you to learn, and also to program and to use different parts. As well, you can see it in here. And now I'm gonna set all the cables correctly, so you can see how does it look when it's fully like built internally, the electronics. I'm gonna show you this part if you want to download the STL and print it yourself, how to like make it work correctly. As you can see, it doesn't go inside, so you'll need to use a little bit of force for it so it can slice correctly. But you go from here and then use a little bit from here. You see it cracks. Well, it not cracks, it's pretty built on here, and you can see it's like a little house, and the end one is this. Turn it upside down and it should fit correctly, as you can see. Now it's like a little box, and obviously the end is this one. Is not only the power source, but it's where we're going to code this, so it's connected, and here it's completely built. So the question is, it looks beautiful, it looks simple. Well, it looks like a beginner's project for you to understand Arduino and how does this display thing works and everything. But does it work? That's the question. I'm gonna show you the code after this, and we're gonna see how this sounds, how this works, and how this displays. So this is the final
Five
code,
minutes later.
and now we're gonna upload it to the Arduino, and I'm gonna show you how does it work, and if the alarm works. So yeah, let's go and do it. As you can see, here's the clock. I make some changes to the code because I'm gonna upload it there, and it should be at 01. As you can see on there, the alarm should sound. So we should wait and see. It should be like in some seconds, I think. But yeah, as you can see, also is there it is, and that's how it works. Well, guys, here's the code. Rewrite it. Basically, I use ChatGPT just to confirm or to see the mistakes I made, because at the end of the day, it's a great tool, and you should use it for that, to like a tool, not like just an easy way to make things. And another note is that you can use another module for the clock, because it's kind of tedious to just keep going to the program and making the alarm time and making the set the initial time. You can use this HW, I think, module, clock module. But basically, this is just you to learn the basics and to make something useful or something entertaining for you, your kids, your classmates. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that. I'm just scrolling up and down just so you can see the code. And see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.